Good morning, wonderful Weinstein JCC family. Kelly and the kids here, cooking in the kitchen. This morning we're making a banana oatmeal muffin, where you take 3 cups of oatmeal, you take 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 4 bananas. You whip them up and you stick them in the oven. You can add cinnamon or you can add chocolate on top. I've got a batch that's about to come out in about 2 seconds. So let's see how they're doing. Ooh, that looks good. Ooh, Jolene's warning me. That's why I've got my oven mitt on. That the oven is hot. These ones are the cinnamon ones. I made a chocolate batch earlier for the kids. And let's see how they think it tastes. Here we go, guys. Enjoy your muffin. Take a bite, Jolene. Jolene's has chocolate on top. What you think, Karsten?
Terrific.
Terrific? What do you think, Jolene? What do you think?
It's delicious and nutritious.
All right, you heard it right there. Delicious and nutritious. Get in the kitchen, cook. Hopefully this won't be much longer. We miss you guys, and stay safe. Bye.
Bye.